Hello everyone. If you are experiencing hair fall, hair thinning or slow hair growth, you might heard about biotin supplement. But the real question is, does biotin actually help hair growth or it is just another internet myth? In today's video, I will explain what is biotin, how it's work for hair, how actually need it, and whether you should take biotin supplement or not. So watch this video till the end. So let's talk about what is biotin. Biotin, also known as a vitamin B7. It is a water-soluble vitamin that belongs to the vitamin B complex family. Biotin plays an important role in the body by helping convert food into energy. But the most importantly for hair health, biotin helps produce a protein called keratin. Keratin is the main structural protein that make up of hair, skin and nails. So when the body had adequate level of biotin, it supports healthy keratin production which may improve hair strength and quality. How biotin helps hair growth? Biotin supports healthy hair in several ways. Number one is keratin production. Biotin helps improve the body keratin infrastructure, making hair stronger and less prone to breakage. Number two is improve hair thickness. Some people notice thicker and healthier looking hair when their biotin level are adequate. Number three is reduces hair breakage. Biotin may strengthen the hair shaft, which reduces brittle hair split ends. Number four, support hair growth cycle. Biotin helps support normal cell growth, including cell in the hair follicles. Sign of biotin deficiency. Although biotin deficiency is rare, when it occurs, symptoms may include hair thinning of hair loss, brittle nails, dry skin, skin rashes, fatigue, weak hair structure. In such cases, correcting the deficiency can significantly improve hair health and growth. Natural sources of biotin. Before taking supplement, it is also better to try natural food sources of biotin. Some of the best food rich in the biotin includes egg, especially egg yolk, almond and walnuts, peanuts, banana, sweet potato, spinach, whole grain, mushroom, avocado. A balanced diet usually provides enough biotin for the most people. Biotin supplements for hair. Many hair supplements contain biotin, thus ranging from 30 mcg to 10,000 mcg. However, research shows that very high doses are usually unnecessary unless you have a deficiency. Also, taking a large doses of biotin may interfere with certain blood tests, including thyroid test and heart-related tests. So it is always best to consult a doctor before starting biotin supplements. Does biotin cure hair loss? This is very important. Biotin does not treat every type of hair loss. Hair loss can occur due to many reasons like genetic, hormonal imbalance, stress, nutritional deficiency, thyroid disorder. So if your hair loss caused by genetic or hormonal factor, biotin alone will not solve the problem. So proper diagnosis is very important. So to summarize, biotin is a vitamin B7 that helps produce keratin. It may improve hair strength and quality. It works best when there is a biotin deficiency. Natural foods are usually the best sources. Supplements should not only be taken under medical guidance. If you are experiencing severe hair loss, it is important to consult a hair specialist or dermatologist for proper evaluation and treatment. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with someone who is struggling with the hair loss. And if you have any question about hair growth or hair treatment, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching this video.